y'all, hey. It's Beachin With The Boones, and we're back down here on Ocean Boulevard to bring you the top 5 worst places to stay for 2024 and 2025.
So when you book your vacation here in Myrtle Beach, these are ranked by reviewers, actual reviewers, and not us, and they come from topratedonline.com.
Not ranked by us, but just reported by us.
That's right. Are you ready to count them down?
Well, I'm ready. Let's go. Count them down.
Starting our list at number 5 is Bermuda Sands. Bermuda Sands is located at 104 North Ocean Boulevard. This one is advertised at around $42 a night, with 131 reviews, placing this hotel at 2.7 out of 5 rating. Let's see what some of the guests who stayed here recently had to say. Darian said half of the outlets didn't work, parking sucked, sink had hair on it, the tile in the bathroom was pushed up and over. This building needs some serious work. The people were nice, and yeah, it smelled like pot, but it's Myrtle Beach. Jocelyn wrote, "No, do not stay here. When we arrived, there was an employee picking up poop off the side of the outside pool. The hot tub was yellow. The indoor pool water was disgusting. The halls smelled of urine. The room we stayed in smelled like pee in a few areas. The door to our room had been previously kicked in as well." Well, it looks like Jocelyn had an awesome time staying at Bermuda Sands. It's coming in at number 5 on our worst hotels ranked by actual viewers. And to be honest, this was one of the places we used to stay with our kids when they were little. Oh, how the times have changed. Coming in at number 4, the Polynesian Oceanfront Hotel. The Polynesian is located at 1001 South Ocean Boulevard. This one is advertised at around $57 a night. With 3.3 thousand reviews, this is placing this hotel at 2.3 out of 5 rating. Let's see what some of the guests who stayed here recently had to say. Soretta said this place was terrible. It was roach infested and the electrical plug didn't work. I kept my belongings in a plastic bag because I didn't want to take bugs back home. So when you look at the website, the pictures are a lie. Kimberly said, "If I could rank this one a 0, I would. Parking is truly a hazard. Your life is in jeopardy. We waited all day for maintenance to come fix the toilet and they had bed bugs. This was the worst place I ever stayed at." Not to mention the fact that the ghetto red-haired unprofessional man determined to be a woman at the front desk, who obviously was unhappy that he never achieved a college degree, was very unhappy with his job. Well, it sounds like Kimberly had a fabulous time at the Polynesian Oceanfront Hotel that's coming in at number 4 on our worst hotels as ranked by actual reviewers. And on a side note, this hotel came in at number 1 on Mr. Myrtle's worst hotels a few years ago. Coming in at number 3 is the Anchor Hotel. This one was previously the Atlantic Hotel North, located at 411 North Ocean Boulevard. This one is advertised at around $92 a night, with 145 reviews, placing this hotel at 2.1 out of 5 rating. Let's see what some of the guests who have stayed here within the last few months had to say. Emily wrote, "Disgusting, unsanitary, unsafe, the door would not close and had to be propped shut with a chair. Serious health code violations. In fact, I alerted the city and they will be looking into it. Do not book a room here. Sleep in your car, sleep in a doghouse, sleep in a prison cell. Just don't come to this roach motel." Miss Lisa wrote, "This was the nastiest, most sickening place I ever saw. I got 2 gallons of bleach and poured it in the black bathrooms. The floors were black. It made me sick. Bed bugs, nasty, nasty, nasty. Sleep in your car, don't go here." Well, it seems like Lisa had a fabulous time at the Anchor Hotel, formerly known as the Atlantic Hotel North. It's coming in at number 3 on our worst hotels ranked by actual reviewers. Coming in at number 2 is the Ocean Crest Inn and Suites. This one is located at 601 South Ocean Boulevard, and this one's advertised at around $59 a night with 371 reviews, putting this hotel at 2.1 out of 5-star ratings. Let's see what some of the guests who stayed here recently had to say. Alex said better off with a tent on the beach. Let's just say the cleaning crew has time for cookouts every night, but no time to swap out a couple of towels. The elevator went out, so climbing 6 flights of stairs was pretty fun for an entire week. This place was disgusting. And Brandy said, the worst hotel I have ever stayed in. The elevator stopped working the night we got there, and someone ended up getting stuck inside. After it was fixed, it would only work on occasion. A board was nailed to the wall to hold the toilet paper, the AC cord was taped together, and all of the curtains had holes. It appears that Brandy had a great time at the Ocean Crest Inn and Suites that's coming in at number 2 on our worst hotels as ranked by actual reviewers. Before we hit number 1, let's cover which one was number 1 last year. It was the Happy Holidays that sat right on Ocean Boulevard. This one had so many complaints, it was number 1 on the worst places to stay on Ocean Boulevard from TopRatedOnline.com. But now it's been renovated, it's been painted, and completely changed. And we're not sure if they're new owners or if it was mandated by the city, but now it looks very spiffy and it looks like there's hope for this place yet. So keep in mind all the ones on this year's list because they could change by next year and they could look a lot better. And Myrtle Beach is currently in the process of revitalizing a lot of places down here. So hopefully things are looking up. With that being said, let's get to our number 1 this year. And finally, coming in at number 1 on the worst places to stay on Ocean Boulevard for 2024 and 2025 is Summer Sands. The Summer Sands Hotel is located at 1401 South Ocean Boulevard. This one is advertised at around $82 a night, with 141 reviews, placing this hotel at 2.0 out of 5-star rating. Let's see what some of the guests who stayed here recently had to say. Alex said this place is absolutely disgusting. Food was left in the fridge and the microwave. The fire alarm is not even attached to the wall. No smoking rooms, smell like complete smoke. Horrible hotel. Do not waste your money staying here. Kelly said this is one of the worst places I've ever been to. The room was filthy like it hadn't been cleaned in a very long time. The floors haven't been swept or mopped in who knows how many years. The shower didn't work, and the blankets had cigarette burns. Well, now a few more satisfied customers had a fabulous time at the Summer Sands Hotel. It's coming in at number 1 on our worst hotels as ranked by actual reviewers. There you have it, the top 5 worst places to stay on Ocean Boulevard when you book your vacation down here in Myrtle Beach. Remember, these were not ranked or reviewed by us. This list comes from actual reviewers and was compiled by TopRatedOnline.com. So make sure you read the reviews before you get down here to the beach. We hope you found this video helpful when planning your next vacation down here to Myrtle Beach.
That's right, because whenever you come down here, we want you to be happy, smiling, and enjoy it.
That's right. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching.
That's right, and if you see us out, make sure you shout, wow, all those bad hotels sure made me tired. I think I need something to drink.
That's right. And until next time, keep beaching, and we'll catch you in the next video.